Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Avidemux package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing ppa repo by running the following command. Run the command below to reflect on ppa. Then install Avidemux by running next command. Once installation is finished, go into your desktop. There you will find Avidemux by icon or by system search bar. You can launch it. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.